Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by creating a new project with the correct frame rate and resolution. Set the sequence to 60 FPS for smoother motion blur. Choose a 16:9 aspect ratio for typical exports. Import your clips at their native resolution to avoid scaling artifacts. Trim clips to the exact frames where motion blur is desired. Turn on high-quality preview if your system supports it. Create proxy files when performance lags to keep playback smooth. Select your clip and open the effects panel to find motion blur. Apply the motion blur filter and set blur strength to 50% for a natural look. For stronger blur, duplicate the clip and offset the top layer by 1 frame. Reduce the top layer opacity to 30% to create a ghosting transition. Add directional blur to align streaks with movement direction. Enable frame blending when you use speed ramps to avoid jitter between frames. Refine your effect by previewing the timeline at 60 FPS to evaluate smoothness. Tweak blur strength between 30% and 70% until details remain readable. Use opacity and layer offset adjustments to control perceived blur length. Render short test clips with your export settings to detect interpolation artifacts. When satisfied, enable hardware acceleration to speed up export times. Choose a high bitrate H.264 or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.